Classical computers power everything we know, from phones to rockets. They work by switching billions of tiny transistors on and off every second. But imagine a chip where a bit can be both 0 and 1 at the same time, and even linked invisibly across space. This is not imagination. It's how the quantum world truly works. That's quantum computing, a new way of solving hard problems. In the next few minutes, I'll explain how it works step by step and why medicine and drug discovery might be its most exciting use. A classical bit is simple, 0 or 1, like a light switch that's either off or on. A quantum bit, or qubit, is different. Think of it more like a spinning coin, balanced between heads and tails. Thanks to superposition, a qubit can be a mix of 0 and 1. We write this as alpha 0 plus beta 1, a weighted blend of possibilities. And qubits don't live alone. They can be linked together. Through entanglement, two qubits share a connection across any distance. But there's a catch. When you measure a qubit, its in-between state collapses to either 0 or 1. The real power comes from interference, setting up quantum states so the right answers appear more often. Classical computers use gates like and or. Quantum computers use rotations on the Bloch sphere. For example, the Hadamard gate creates perfect superposition. Add a CNOT gate, and suddenly two qubits become entangled. A quantum algorithm is just a sequence of gates ending in measurement. The trick is designing them so correct answers appear more often. But quantum states are fragile. Even tiny disturbances from heat or noise can break them. That's why error correction is vital. Scientists are working on ways to protect quantum information. So why go quantum? Because some problems scale too fast for classical computers, but quantum can keep up. Grover's algorithm can search a huge database in fewer steps. Shor's algorithm can factor numbers faster, threatening encryption. But today's devices are too noisy for full Shor's algorithm. That's why we call this the NISQ era, noisy intermediate scale quantum. Instead, hybrid methods like VQE split the work. Quantum tests possibilities while classical computers pick the best. These hybrid methods are in use today. They've already been tested on small molecules in labs. Not all qubits are made the same. Superconducting qubits are fast but fragile, tapped extremely cold. Ion trap qubits are slower but very stable. Other designs, like photonic or neutral atoms, aim for balance. Today's machines have tens to hundreds of qubits. That's enough for experiments, but far from practical scale. This is like the Wright brothers' plane. It could fly, but not carry passengers across the world yet. Why medicine? Because molecules are quantum systems. Their behavior is ruled by quantum mechanics. Classical computers struggle to simulate large molecules. Even the biggest supercomputers can't handle certain enzymes. Quantum computers could model molecules directly, making it easier to discover drugs and new materials. In 2024, researchers proposed a hybrid pipeline. Quantum simulates molecules, while classical fine-tunes results. Early tests show potential for protein folding, enzyme docking, and materials design with drug companies collaborating. But we're still at proof of concept stage. These results are exciting, but not ready for medicine yet. To get there, we'll need error correction, more qubits, and stronger algorithms, a long road ahead. But if successful, it could transform healthcare forever. And that's why quantum computing matters. Today, you've learned what quantum computing is. But knowing what it is only half the story. The real question is, why should it matter to you, to me, to doctors, and to patients? Join me in the next video as we uncover why quantum matters in medicine and why it might be one of the most important revolutions ever.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button. Share this with friends who will find it helpful. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. And of course, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss future videos.